Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can get more games on Mistplay. So to get more games on Mistplay and maximize our rewards, we gotta follow these steps. First, we will explore the game list. We want to open up the Mistplay app and go to games at the bottom of the screen. You will see a list of games currently available to you. This list can vary based on your location preferences and Misplay's partnerships with game developers. Another way of how we can get more games is by updating our preferences. So sometimes your game recommendations depend on the preferences you've set up in the app. Check your profile settings to update your game preferences or interests, which may help you see a more diverse range of games. The third step will be leveling up our account. So Mistplay unlocks more games as you level up. The more you play, the higher your level, and this increases your chances of new games appearing in your list. The fourth tip that I can give you is check for new games regularly. So Mistplay updates its game list frequently, so it's worth checking back often for new games. You might see new games appear every few days, especially if you've been active on the platform. And the last two tips that I can give you is to enable notifications. So Mistplay sometimes sends you push notifications when new games are available. And the sixth step is going to be look out for game events or promotions. Mistplay occasionally hosts special events or promotions where they feature new games. Participating in these events can help you discover more games while earning additional rewards. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.